In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find HubSpot how-to videos. If you're new to HubSpot or simply looking to brush up on some skills, accessing how-to videos is a great way to enhance your understanding of this comprehensive platform. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to access these resources. First, you'll want to start by visiting the HubSpot homepage. This is your gateway to all things HubSpot, from its various software solutions to the educational resources it offers. Simply type HubSpot into your search engine, and the official website should be at the top of your search results. Click on the link to enter the website. Once you're on the HubSpot homepage, the next step is to log in. Look towards the top right corner of the page, where you'll find the Login button. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your HubSpot credentials. If you already have an account, enter your email and password. If you're new to HubSpot, you might consider setting up a free account to get started. This login will give you access to HubSpot's personalized tools and settings. After logging in, you'll land on the HubSpot home screen. This is where you can access your main dashboard, tools, and any personalized activity related to your account. This screen is your control center, allowing you quick access to everything you might need. From here, navigate to the settings section. You can usually find the settings option by looking for a gear icon, which is typically located in the top navigation menu. Clicking on this icon will bring you to your account settings page. This is where you can customize your HubSpot experience to better fit your needs, but for our purposes today, we'll focus on finding those valuable educational videos. With the settings page open, your next move is to locate HubSpot Academy. Look for the tab labeled HubSpot Academy within your settings menu. Clicking on this will redirect you to a treasure trove of educational content. HubSpot Academy offers a wealth of resources including courses, certifications, and importantly, the how-to videos you are searching for. Within the Academy, you can use the search bar to find specific how-to videos by typing in relevant keywords or browse through the categories to discover new topics. These videos are designed to be clear and concise, helping you to master functionalities across all HubSpot tools. Plus, many of these resources are updated regularly, so you're always learning the latest tips and tricks. By following these steps, accessing HubSpot how-to videos can become a seamless part of your training routine. We hope this guide helps you make the most of your HubSpot experience and equips you with the skills needed to maximize the platform's potential. Thanks for watching and happy learning.